Padro, kamu. Budi ini. Starting point ji Yairipok Bazar lấy đấy. End point ji.
Tôi cho em ra tổng từng gọi.
Đâu cái mấy. Simi bahasa dong kan. Siblik. Ah. Nam.怕是谁？录的。Ngâm đi. Ngâm đi luôn. Tiếp tục. Vô đi. Thật. Sini. Ngâm tay bilang ni segini. Nasara.
Kan menumpah mana tarik?
Congratulations and Anna Pangani Laishram Mingo. Jadi first soid na tagani na thajaba inauni Magi price na cash price ta trade and medal ram hau na khum loi tan try tong ni manga tane adu kharam na second kharam na se ngasai hau pa dari third te chelam bane aina camera tana musunga mongre ado 30 second digi last 2 kilometers to 3 kilometers na ngai the first ka kha kibne konung mamang dagi aho ki matung khubak khubang roi sungle le phalo ji khubak che certificate and medal gi mathata mana phangi ba prize khubak le phanganu ma'am khubak le phanganu please.
I am more confident. I am more I used to run every day. Today also I ran. So this challenge has helped me to build a lifestyle. So Mission Fit Manipur has helped me and really motivated me, a person from Sikkim and someone who is there in Manipur, always motivating you people. That is Mission Fit Manipur. We should thank him for motivating us. And so that was my experience for 365 days running challenge. And there is another event today, that is bullet push race. Okay, so everyone must be curious to know what is this bullet push race. So this is nothing but it is a game of fitness. Today we saw that so many participants participated in pushing that bullet. Only the fittest of the fit. No, everyone is fit, but this is just a game to show your inner fitness to people. So this was an opportunity for each and everyone to participate and show their real fitness. That is the real fitness, what we say.
Mission Fit Manipur Rahul plus magi friends ma'am adagi akhoi Thoubal district plus Manipur da lebiliba fitness pu yamna pamdaba ma'am pulap na lakpiraga ngasi event asi yawi base yamna nungai jai hoji akhoi na khangi Manipur se we are facing a problem of drugs. अखोई youth में हमसे अखोई की drugs ता यामना आइजू लगा drugs ता याना तो बगी drugs की कोई problem चौबम ले बसे सी problem में हमसे अखोई की solution में प्रोक्सी है ता अगर main thing से मैं हम निपुण खुद मक्ता fitness की awareness fitness की encouragement भी बसे हम फिर न मथौका है मरो मधुना मसी की event असीजू अदुगी War against drug high report adugi part amo ina fitness pu sobat po ina ko na sinjabani aduga sinlagi ba program asida ko asam rifle gi taraf tai chu ko yangan no maheng kar taw jaraga ngasi program asi mapung pahan ba ngambani aduna mayam lapira ba puna makku hagat chari amasung high river mission fit Manipur sina silakpa program atai mayam tarpasing basiu mayam club saruk man yamina sianai na hejaki